I'm Austin Crawford. I'm a product manager for L Series tractors. Today we're going to be talking about the L6070 Premium. So this is going to be a new offering from Kubota. So we're super excited to launch this machine and just really happy with the changes that we've made. It's an awesome machine, and I'm going to point out a few quick things for you. So you'll see on the front of the machine we have some LED headlights. So you'll see these daytime running lights. Just a really nice modern feature that we've added to this machine. All LED headlights as well. Clearly it's obviously really bright out here, so we don't have them on right now, but really nice quality LED lighting. LED work lights as well, standard offering. Really nice light output for those early mornings or late nights. You'll see we tucked in our hydraulic lines inside of the loader frame now as well. Just keeps those hydraulic lines nice and protected. Looking underneath the hood, we have a 4-cylinder Kubota diesel engine, turbocharged, so just a great machine, reliable, powerful with that well-known Kubota diesel engine. Inside of the cab, you'll see really nice flat floor. Great for just getting into the machine, just nice and comfortable. So inside of the cab, just a really nice, comfortable space, great visibility. We've moved from a 6-post to a 4-post cab, so great visibility overall. If I'm looking over the side of my tires or looking down my loader frame, just great visibility. A lot of the good changes that we've made and the updates that have been made are inside of the cab, so I'm going to walk through a handful of those. So we've got a multi-function loader joystick. So this has several functions just right at your fingertips. So you can change your HST responsiveness, engage or disengage things like auto throttle advance, change your drive mode so you can cycle between general, loader, road, snow, and cutter. So you can cycle between those different drive modes and different working conditions that you might need. We've got third function and cruise control as well. So just really nice to have all those controls right at your fingertips here. Steering wheel, we've got a tilt and telescopic steering wheel. So you can see just many adjustment points that you can make to be comfortable inside of this cab. Nice updated steering wheel, modern, good look. Looking at the screen here, this is one of my favorite features here. We've significantly improved our user interface on this machine. So using the jog dial, I can cycle between different things like my Bluetooth radio integrated into the screen. It's just a really nice display. See my engine vitals. I can cycle between my shortcut menu here to see multiple different things that I want to set or engage or disengage. So it's just really nice to be able to access those really easily. I can also enter into my other main menu here and change some transmission settings, engage or disengage certain features. There's much options to customize this machine to perform how you want it to. So you can view engine vitals, you can make adjustments to your operating needs. It's just a really nice feature set here. I've got these nice buttons over here as well, so I can adjust volume, use my hands free. RPM memory switches, so I can preset RPM memory positions to what I need for my working conditions. Stationary PTO, work lights, wiper. So really good offering, nice spacious cab even for someone tall like myself. Great visibility. I fit really well in here. It's just really nice to be able to get into a machine and just fit really comfortably. The other thing is, oftentimes in tractor world, we run out of space pretty quick. I'm really happy with this new phone holder. My phone just slots right in. Nice big cup holder. We've got a tool storage area over here as well. And then on the 6070s, you'll see that we have the USB ports in here as well. Just more storage compartments, good space, just open with really good output as well. Even in hot Texas conditions, I'm really comfortable in here with the high output blower motor for the AC in here. So it's just a great offering from Kubota. We're really happy with this machine, and we are ready to really delight some customers. Inside of the cab again, you'll see these nice R14 tires on here. Just a really nice tread pattern, a good versatile mix, just good for multiple different conditions. So we're really happy with the R14s on here. It's just a beautiful machine, and we're really happy with it. For more information, visit us at KubotaUSA.com and view our Grand L70 section. And it was a pleasure speaking with you today, so thank you for your time.